Hello, sorry for bothering, but can you check if there is an unknown cloth laying around your balcony? Of course. We'll be back in a minute. Is this what you're talking about? Yeah, thanks, man. Oh, it's okay. Your choice of clothing is unique. Keep up the style. Okay, see you around. This is my sisters. Well, hello. Well, hello there. Again, it's nice seeing you guys here. You would have already known the topic by the title, and if you didn't, then let me tell you. Today, we're gonna talk about neighbors. Yes, neighbors. I don't know if you guys realize or not, but this is a very important topic because neighbors are organisms that live near your base. Got me? But what about those who don't have a neighbor? Who's there? Hmm? Sugar. Can you? Well, that proves that you were never neighborless. Moving on to me. So, I was just chatting with my friend late at night with my laptop. It was like 11 p.m. or something. As we were just texting random things to each other like memes, when suddenly, my neighbor started blasting songs. Like, it's so funny how they randomly late at night decided to blast songs when everyone's trying to sleep. I think they might be watching those random motivational videos late at night. You, yes, you, what are you doing? Laying around. This is not the time to lay around. Did you forget your dreams? Where you are the strongest and the smartest, and you do some cool stuff, and a cool edited audio starts playing in the background? You little procrastinating worm, get up, play a good music, and oh, what a monkey. I don't know what got into their minds that they wrote in night and shocked everyone outside. Well, again, moving on, I live in apartments or you can say flats. And sometimes when I would go to my balcony, I would say, yes, our neighbor's clothes that live above us. Sometimes their clothes will become so long for their balcony that they will reach out for hours. And often those clothes would cover half of our balcony view. Hmm. And I don't know why I would have a certain feeling. No, mom. And I don't know why I would have a certain urge to just pull them out. Like just yoink it and set it free in the air. That you covered half of my balcony, so I will set your clothes free. It's nothing like that. It's just like standing in your balcony, seeing the beautiful view with your phone. You may have experienced this in your life, if not often, at least once, because our intrusive thoughts are very wide and can't forget those unwanted treasures of people I don't know or know that I would find in my balcony. Most of the time, it's close. And now, food waste has also begun to appear, like eggshells and even their hair. Woo! Treasure. I don't want it. Please take it back. If you are one of these neighbors, stop, please. Like, there is something called this vision. Like, why? Always remember, you are a human and not a living cat. So, back to the topic. What was I saying? Yeah, so I would randomly find people's unwanted treasures and will just wait until someone comes to pick it up because I don't know whose clothes are these. And while on the topic, I wonder how much they struggle to get their clothes back, especially when you are living high up in the apartments. Yes. Hello, how are you doing? Just fine. How are you? Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, was busy in work. Oh, come on. At least you can make some time for yourself. Oh, yeah. I almost forgot about it. Can you check in your balcony if there is a cloth lying around? Cause one of my clothes just flew from my balcony. Oh, really? I'm sorry, but I just checked the balcony. There was nothing. Oh, why you're sorry? It was my fault. Guess gotta go another level down. I would have gone with you if I didn't have work to do, but good luck. Oh, it's okay, and thanks. Hello, I will get straight to the point. Have you seen a random clothes in your balcony? Cause it could be mine. What? Our balcony is yours? And you want to go toilet in our balcony? Well, that's a weird request. They say third time's the charm. Hmm. What the heck do you want? Did you call you Mama's? No, she's busy. Then you dad? No, he's busy too. Then any other adult? I am the adult. Okay, adult. The adult. Okay. The adult. Can you go check in your balcony if there's a cloth that doesn't belong to your house? Because it can be mine. Boring. Huh? What? I said it's boring. These chin skibbity dibbity dolly telephone. So, what about a mission then, officer? A mission? And me? Officer? Yes, you. Only you can do it, officer. Only your dumb, I mean, smart brain can do it. Really? Yes. And your mission is to go where your pajamas often get dry under the sun. When you arrive at your location, there's a possibility that you can find an unknown mysterious cloth that actually is a bong. A bong? Yes. You have to carefully grab it, give it to me, and then your mission will be successfully completed. Remember to bring the cloth to me carefully. And of course, there will be a reward. Super diaper sword. Super diaper sword? How do I believe you? So what do you think?
One eternity later.
Here, you bombed. Yes, yes. Oh, cloth. I finally got you. I have been looking for you everywhere. You don't know how I sought, how I sought. Here you go. Not my problem. I don't know what to do, so I will pass. Finally, I can go home and rest. I swear, please listen to me. It's my sisters. Okay, well, that's it for today. Even though there's a lot more to talk about neighbors, we'll say it for later. I shall see you in the next video. I know the video got a bit late, but I will try to animate faster. So, until next video, we'll meet again.